Piny owacho ochako chenro mar chiwo chanjo e kedo gi tuo Nyaldiema mosebedo ka landore e kaunti za 14 e pacho ka. Jatend migawo mar thieth Susan Nakumicha kawuono oyango chanjo mokwongo michiwo e dhok e kind okenge mamoko mag geng'o landruok Nyaldiema. Ji 70 osewito ngimagi nyaka ni tuono muoji giko higa mokalo ka kwan ji maromo 4,173 osegamo tuono. Migawo mar thieth chiwo yedhe ne jotuo, pi maler kod kuonde logo ne oganda. Nyasi mar yango chenro mar kedo gi Nyaldiema otimore Tana River kama jalup County Commissioner Solomon Komen olero ni ji 11 osewito ngimagi ka moko maromo 2,000 oseyud gi tuono.
It has been administered in many countries where there have been major outbreaks with an excellent outcome, and we do believe this will really assist Kenya in controlling the transmission, a number of cases and deaths. It's therefore important. It is an important and safe, effective vaccine that protects the population from cholera infections. The World Health Organization and indeed the UN community and partners are committed to supporting the Ministry of Health and county governments in ensuring that transmission of the disease is curtailed.
I know among the 15 high-risk counties, Garissa is one of them. Unfortunately, our neighbors, Tana River, which is here, is the highest hit in our country. And I think we are not far from there. And if we follow closely, the issue started with us at Akadera refugee camp. It came to Garissa and it just crossed over because of the movement between ourselves and our neighbors here in Garissa, here in Tana River. So partners, all leaders, you can see the magnitude of the work that is ahead of us. It calls for concerted efforts from each and every person.